it's ASAP Plumbing here. One of our tubs that we put in. This is a Sterling tub. We put in some mirrors, we put in a new sink, and we need to wipe that down. It's a little dirty, but getting ready to finish up this project. Customer requested a Sterling tub, which is basically a plastic tub and plastic walls. All right, and like I said, that's ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. I'm gonna walk over to the other bathroom real quick so we can get both of these in on one video. That's ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. And then here we have another Sterling, but it's a stand-up. Looking pretty fabulous right there. I love that Smitty plate. And the shower head. And it's basically a very thick plastic tub. Now I believe this comes in 4 pieces. This is 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces down here. And again, this is called a Sterling tub, put in by ASAP Plumbing.